back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. I bought an RC Jet, and this one is the E-flite VIPER 64mm EDF. It says this is for intermediate to experienced pilots, but with the safe flying, should be okay. It also says you should have flown another EDF prior to this, and I actually have. I just didn't record it. I got this guy. This is a UMX Sabre. It's a mini plane, so you don't have to have your FAA stuff. And you can see it's a little beat up. I've crashed it once or twice, repaired it, and it still flies. The last crash was probably 3, 4, 5, 6 packs ago, so I've been getting a lot better at this. So I think it's time I try this out. And like I said, it has the safe select, so that way it kind of helps me fly and can get used to it before turning everything off and doing barrel rolls and stuff like that. Like I said, it's easier to fly. It has the AS3X and Safe Select technologies. It is also a high-power jet. It uses a 4S battery. I think you could also use 3S. We might try that first. If it says in the manual we can do that. Smart electronics, offering telemetry and optional use thrust reversing, so we might use that. And then some extras like installed lights, flaps, and shock absorbing struts. You can see here, this is the buy and fly version. So it comes with everything but a transmitter, battery, and charger. I have all 3 of those. Well, I had to buy a couple batteries, but I had the charger. And if you get the PMP version, it goes up to skill level 3, I'm guessing, because you have to install the receiver. There it is in all its glory. It's bigger than I thought it would be. That's what she said. Alright, here goes nothing. Holy. God, that was so bad. Why does it do? All right. what a landing. Hell yeah, that's my best one yet. Hell yeah. Oh, we're out of battery, so that was a good landing. Woo! Oh. Oh my god, that was bouncy as. There we go. Okay. Well, I forgot to film an outro, so here we are with some background clips of me flying and failing to land. However, I will say that this thing is fantastic and a bit scary in my opinion. This is my first EDF other than my Saber, so that isn't really saying much either. This thing is fast, nimble, and if I didn't have the safe system on it, I would have crashed it already, probably 10 times over. Either way, as a first EDF, I would recommend it as it allows you to use that tech. It has been very difficult for me to land, but from what I have read and understand, they aren't very easy to land and have to be at speed but level going into the landing so you don't bounce like I have done it many of times. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one. If you can click the buttons at the lower left over there, I'd appreciate it as it helps me out. As well, we are very close to our sub goal, so I'd appreciate it if you click that button as well, if you aren't. With that said, I thank you all for stopping by. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and take care.